Okay, so Maya viewport manipulation. Again, guys, don't get overwhelmed. I know you can feel that way when you see all the menus and all the buttons and kind of everything is just right in front of you. However, just like ZBrush, you got tools, right? You got a viewport. Let's go ahead and keep this nice and simple. So to move around, we got Alt middle mouse. That's gonna let us pan. We got Alt left click to rotate around the objects. And then we got Alt right click to zoom in and out. Okay, so if I go ahead and create a sphere real quick or a cube, I can Alt left click to rotate around it, Alt right click to zoom in and out, and then Alt middle mouse to move. To go ahead and get used to the movement, right? Get used to how Maya controls the viewport. You can scroll wheel in and out as well. Say you get way lost over here, go ahead and tap F to frame your object, and I'll set you back to where you need to be. Okay, F and F. Quickly, let's go ahead and cover the move tools just exactly like ZBrush. We got W for move, right? W is going to let us move just like ZBrush. However, ZBrush gizmo has the scale and rotate all in one. Keep in mind that Maya is going to be separate. So I got W to move. If you notice, this button turns blue. It's the move tool. If I tap E, we got the rotation tool, which is right down here. And you notice we got a new gizmo for the rotation. If I tap R, it's the one right below it, which is going to be scale. Boom. So W, E, R, the buttons are right next to each other on the keyboard. They allow you to move, rotate, and scale your geometry. Awesome. I'll see you in the next video.